It's pretty clear why the Earth is called the blue planet. Oceans cover more than 70% of the surface of our planet, and many important organisms call these oceans home. And yet the impacts of climate change can go largely unnoticed. Without oxygen, food, and the other resources that these marine ecosystems provide, our lives would be completely altered. So in our own little ways, what can we do? Well, join us to find out. I'm Paolo Abrera, and this is One Small Act.
Dito sa Anilao, matatagpuan ang napakaraming mga underwater critters na pinagmamalaki. Kasi nga itong Anilao ay bahagi ng tinatawag naming Verde Island Passage. Ito ay tinuturing na center of marine biodiversity. Iba't ibang uri pa ng mga yamang dagat ang matatagpuan sa ilalim ng mga dagat ng Anilao. Naging principle na namin sa diving industry, especially dito sa Anilao, pagsasatupad ng every dive is a cleanup dive. So kahit may mga bisita sila, kahit sila lang, kailangan lahat ay matuto ng responsible diving. Kapag may nakikita silang basura sa ilalim ng dagat, hindi naman ito maiwasan na mayroong mangilan-ngilan na basura ang makikita. Every now and then, nagko-conduct din kami ng scuba basurero. Ito yung underwater cleanup activity. Katuwang namin yung ating mga asosasyon ng mga divers, dive guides, instructors, and dive masters para magkaroon ng sama-samang effort.
So we live right here on the beach. As you can see, it's very nice. We are right in the middle of the San Juan coastline. And in 2009, we discovered that this area is part of the main sea turtle nesting stretch in the province. So part of our research, we discovered that poaching was very prevalent in the province. Sea turtles, their eggs, and the sea turtle meat was being sold locally. We realized it's mainly livelihood. So what we did was, one, to educate them, and another is to help them in livelihood programs. We have what we call turtle mentality, and this is helping each other. Sea turtles, the way they emerge from their nest, they're underneath about 2 feet, and when they hatch, they will wait for each other. And when they're ready, the way they dig themselves to the surface is they help each other up. If sea turtles can achieve amazing things by helping each other, tayo din, mga tao. So, pawikan mentality po, tulungan tayo.